Hello, my dear students. I am Sanya Sethi, your science teacher. So, this week we had started with chapter number 4, Our Earth. Our Earth is the only planet that supports life, and it is also known as the blue planet because of the abundance of water present on it. Earlier, people used to believe that the Earth is flat. But then the scientists discovered that the Earth is not flat but sphere in shape. The Earth is surrounded by a covering of air known as the atmosphere. The Earth's atmosphere is made up of many useful gases which makes life possible on Earth. Students, do you know our Earth keeps moving all the time? Yes, and there are two types of movements. First is rotation, second is revolution. First, let me explain you about rotation. The spinning movement of the Earth around its axis is called Earth's rotation. The Earth takes about 24 hours or 1 day to complete one rotation. The rotation of the Earth causes day and night. Let me show you this with the help of an experiment. Now let me explain you about rotation of the Earth. Imagine this ball is your Earth. So the Earth keeps on rotating on its own axis. Axis is an imaginary line and our Earth keeps on rotating like this, and this rotation completes in 1 day or 24 hours. Now this is our Earth, and imagine this torch is our sun. So when the sunlight falls on the Earth, the part of the Earth that receives the sunlight will have day, and the part that is opposite to the sunlight will experience night. Now let us discuss about revolution. When the Earth moves around the Sun in a fixed orbit, it is known as revolution. The movement of Earth around the Sun in a fixed orbit is called Earth's revolution. The Earth takes a little more than 365 days or 1 year to complete one revolution. The revolution of Earth around the Sun causes changes in the seasons. Let me show you with the help of an experiment. Now let me show you what is revolution. This ball is our Earth and the torch is the Sun. The Earth keeps revolving or orbiting around the Sun in a circular path. This is known as the revolution, and it takes the Earth to complete one revolution 1 year, or we can say 365 days. The revolution of the Earth causes changes in the season. Like the part of the Earth that receives the sunlight will experience summer season, and the parts of the Earth that face to the opposite direction will face winters. I hope you must have understood till here. That's all for today. In next week we will continue with this chapter. Kindly write your name and class in the comment box. Thank you and take care.